Hi, welcome to our vlog. This was our first trip together to Gokarna, and we had finally decided to take a break from our bit boring work lives. I was seeing beach for the first time, and we are glad we chose Gokarna since it was so beautiful, serene, and raw. We watched the sunset while kayaking, and it is one of the best memories we have from the trip. And apart from that, all that happened to me was just drowning and drinking a lot of salt water. And we both ended up smelling like fishes.
Today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body.
There was this beautiful place that we came across with these big bamboo trees and a stream of water flowing beneath. Yana Caves had a long trek to it. We saw a variety of plants, trees, and butterflies. It has these massive two rock outcrops known as Bhairaveshwara and Mohini Shikhar, and everything was just worth it.
It's only love.
That's a wrap on this beautiful journey. Until next time, keep exploring and making memories. See you in our next vlog.